First of all, no, you're not oppressed, so veganphobia does not exist.
Ethical vegan children, parents, and seniors are bullied constantly. The very fact that you made a video trying to pretend they aren't is proof that you have no understanding of the facts. Ethical vegan kids are often afraid to come out of the closet. They are afraid to publicly defend animals, afraid to be their true, authentic selves because of bullies like you. Gay teens can be told by some parents, "Oh, come on, just try harder not to be gay." Ethical vegan kids are physically forced by parents to eat dead animals, or they risk getting slapped, hit, punched, or thrown out of the house. Ethical vegans, true vegans, endure endless jokes about bacon. Cruel people talk about how fun it is to murder animals in front of them. They wave dead animal body parts in their faces. This happens at school, in the workplace, and in senior homes. One day, veganphobia will be illegal, just like homophobia is now. Stand with us. Speak out against veganphobia.